Mummy's just come from the most awful party, Princess. The catering was a disaster. The guests were strictly B-list, and Carrie would not shut up about her trip to New Zealand. Mummy needs a long, hot bath. Hush, Princess! Mummy has a headache! Princess! What is going...
Third high-rise this week, all with the same MO. No prints, no forced entry, no physical evidence of any kind.
I'd say it sounds like our Batman, if he were a burglar.
I thought I said it on the...
The Batman! Freeze!
Hey, you! Stop! Go, Bats.
Hey, Alfred, check this out. Strix nebulosa laponica, a rare species of owl native to China. According to the Batwave's search function, these scratches from the victim's dressing table match the owl's talent span. Someone has trained a bird to perform burglaries.
Without suggesting that I'm not sufficiently impressed with your deductive powers, Master Bruce, I must remind you that you have a gala fundraiser to host.
Right, Alfred, tomorrow night?
Sir, it is tomorrow night. We wouldn't want any guests growing suspicious of how billionaire bachelor Bruce Wayne really spends his time after dark now, would we?
Hello, ladies.